Controller not working on Fortnite PC? Let's get you back to racking up those victory royales. First things first, physically check your controller connection. Is it plugged in securely, or are the batteries fresh if you're using wireless? Next, check your Windows settings. In the search bar, type Device Manager and open it. Look for your controller under Human Interface Devices or Xbox controllers. Is it detected? If there's a yellow exclamation mark next to it, right-click and try Update Driver. Windows should search for the latest driver updates. If that doesn't work, uninstall the device and restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the drivers. Now, hop into Fortnite, go to your settings and navigate to the controller settings. Ensure controller is enabled or identified. If you still don't see anything, try restarting the game, then restart your PC. Sometimes, it's an Epic Games launcher glitch. Completely close the launcher from the system tray. That's where icons are hidden on the bottom right of your screen. Then, right-click on the launcher and run as administrator to give it full system privileges. If none of these simple fixes work, consider using third-party controller mapping software to trick your PC. Always make sure the software is trustworthy before downloading. Try turning on the controller before launching the game, and there you have it. Now go get those wins.